Hey mind guessers, welcome to the channel. Today, challenge is, can you guess the country by their famous place? 25 questions and you have 10-second time for each question. Let's get started. Hey history buff, check out the iconic Brandenburg Gate. Can you name the country that's home to this emblem of unity? Yes, it's Germany. Hey adventurer, feast your eyes on the legendary Perito Moreno Glacier. Any clue which country is its proud owner? Yes, it's Argentina. Hey adventurer, feast your eyes on the legendary Ha Long Bay. Any clue which country is the proud owner of this natural wonder? Yes, it's Vietnam. This is world-famous Marrakech's Jemaa El Fna. Can you guess the country? Yes, it's Morocco. Hey time traveler, behold the iconic Big Ben. Any idea which country proudly hosts this symbol of timeless grandeur? Correct, it's United Kingdom. Hey Wanderluster, check out the iconic Eiffel Tower. Can you name the country that's home to this iron giant? You are correct, it's France. This is world-famous Taj Mahal. Can you guess the country? Yes, it's India. Hey explorer, behold the epic Great Wall. Any clue which country proudly guards this ancient marvel? Yes, it's China. Behold, the enigmatic opera house that has enchanted audiences worldwide. Can you take a wild guess at the country it calls home? Yes, it's Australia. Hey there, Globetrotter. Feast your eyes on the legendary Christ the Redeemer, standing tall and proud. Care to take a wild guess at the country that's lucky enough to call this marvel its own? Yes, it's Brazil. Behold the dazzling Acropolis of Athens. Can you name the country that hosts this ancient marvel? Yes, it's Greece. Yo, adventurer! Check out the epic Machu Picchu. Any clue which country is its proud owner? Yes, it's Peru. Behold the epic Kremlin. Any idea which country proudly guards this historic gem? Yes, it's Russia. Hey wanderer, feast your eyes on the legendary Petra. Can you guess the nation lucky enough to cradle this ancient marvel? Yes, it's Jordan. Hey thrill seeker, behold the iconic Mount Fuji. Can you guess the country that's home to this majestic peak? Yes, it's Japan. Hey time traveler, behold the legendary pyramids of Giza. Any guesses on the country that guards this ancient enigma? Yes, it's Egypt. Yo, history buff! Check out the iconic Colosseum. Can you name the country that boasts this ancient wonder? Yes, it's Italy. Hey Liberty lover, behold the iconic Statue of Liberty. Any idea which country proudly holds this beacon of freedom? Yes, it's United States of America. Hey adventurer, feast your eyes on the legendary Table Mountain. Any clue which country is its proud owner? Yes, it's in South Africa. Hey time traveler, behold the legendary Chichen Itza. Any guesses on the country that cradles this ancient marvel? Hey architecture enthusiast, check out the mind-blowing Sagrada Familia. Can you name the country that's home to this masterpiece in the making? Hey history buff, behold the iconic Hagia Sophia. Any idea which country proudly holds this marvel of architecture? Hey nature lover, feast your eyes on the iconic Niagara Falls. Any clue which country boasts this breathtaking wonder? Hey traveler, behold the mystical Wat Pho. Can you guess the country that cradles this ancient marvel? Hey explorer, feast your eyes on the legendary Sigiriya Rock. Any clue which country proudly holds this ancient wonder? It's over. Pick your next challenge. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.